Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to add QR codes in Google Sites for 2025. With the latest updates, this feature is a game changer for making your sites more interactive and user-friendly. Whether you're a teacher sharing lesson plans or a business owner linking to products, QR codes can save time and boost engagement. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Head over to Google Sites and open the site you want to edit, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. It's super straightforward. Just click Create and choose a template. Next, you'll need to generate your QR code. In 2025, Google has made this easier with integrated tools, but you can also use external generators like QR Code Monkey. Simply enter the URL or data you want to link, customize the design if you like, and download the QR code as an image file. Now, back in Google Sites, click the Edit button on your page. In the editor, look for the Insert menu on the right sidebar. Select Image from the options. Upload the QR code image you just downloaded from your device. Once the image is added, drag it to the perfect spot on your page. You can resize it using the handles or align it with other elements for a polished look. If you want to add interactivity, double-check that the QR code points to the right link. Finally, hit Save to store your changes, then click Publish to make your site live. Test it out by scanning the QR code on your phone to ensure it works seamlessly. And there you have it, QR codes added to your Google Sites in no time. This tip can really elevate your digital projects. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tutorials, and drop a comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.